what we got here. So this guy that owns this car called me, or messaged me, I would say, messaged me on Facebook, and he's like, do you have some parts for an Odyssey? I'm like, yeah, we got parts. And he's like, they have doors? I'm like, yep. And he's like, well, could you install them for me? As you can see, he got sideswiped by a trailer. That's what he said. I think that's what he said. And he's like, well, I told him I don't have same color stuff, but I do have all the parts pretty much to get this done. So he goes, well, I don't want it painted, just put whatever you have on it. So that's kind of what we're gonna be doing here. So I think the next couple videos, or in the next video, I don't know if it's gonna be the following video or the one past it, so, but I will take my parts list on this, see what we got. If we don't have something, we'll just buy another car, and I'm probably gonna try to get a white one, just because, I mean, I feel like it's gonna be weird and awkward just to have a car, because I have a black quarter panel and both black doors, and I also have a blue one, and I think my bumpers are gonna be blue or black. I do have plenty of parts, but they're all kind of mix and match on colors. I already replaced plenty of these quarter panels without painting them. I mean, I've painted and primed and put etching priming and then the fill primer on all the edges, but not the body itself. And then the way I do wheel wells is the wheel well itself, there's another piece. I basically cut it a little past halfway, and then on the donor part, I cut about the same, so it overlaps about an inch, and then you just weld that seam. And I don't weld it permanently, like with the full seam, I just kind of spot weld it, and then I just put the seam sealer on it, and it's been working like this. I have one exactly the same, but this will not have any frame damage, as I don't see it. The only thing I see is just it might have something internally in there, and then wherever this piece meets the wheel well. So there might be just a little bit, but from my experience, there's plenty of room inside of this and inside of the vehicle. Also, well, the bumper's gonna go, but we're not gonna replace that, so just leave that. Also, the inside of the vehicle, everything's fine. None of the clips are broken. I mean, I've checked pretty much all. Is usually if the internal components go, this panel cracks or it's just loose, but in this case it's not. It's sturdy, nothing's moving, but I won't be able to tell until we actually get it apart. So I'm gonna go on the auctions, see. Oh, that's busted too. Well, so I guess I'll just have to get him another mirror. But I'm gonna tonight give him a full price. I already kind of gave him a ballpark idea on all the big components, like the fender, both doors, quarter panel, both bumpers. But I did miss out like the mirror, a little glass, labor on cutting that glass out and putting a new one in. So I'm gonna go home, create him a parts list, maybe later tonight or maybe tomorrow morning when I'll get back to the shop. And I guess in the next video or so, we're gonna strip it all down, get all the damage pull the doors, and quarter panel. I'll just have to drill it all out, pull the skin up. Well, what I do is just cut it all out, and then I just drill the edges out. Basically, kind of, let's see, like we have right here, see how the skin, so I would basically just cut it out a little less than what I need to. That way I don't have to fight with the big piece. I just kind of just go around and drill it out, and then while I'm drilling I can pull back. It's way easier, that way you don't miss any of them and you kind of go as you go. But yeah, be a little project for us. I am gonna work on that one tomorrow, parting it out, hopefully get the whole interior out. That way we can start making some of our money back. But that's a different project, and I do want to get it in and out. Unless I find some cars on Copart or Insurance Auto Auction, same color. I do have one playing here in town, but it's going to be a light blue. 15, so I'll play that one. If I get it cheap, I'll just put light blue doors on here, and because he said he might have it painted down the road, but not my problem. You know, customers are always correct. If they want something done and they're paying for it, that's just that's their problem, not mine. So, and I made him sign some papers stating he knows what he's getting into, because so at first I didn't really feel like he knows what he's getting into, having a car with multiple colors on it. But you know, there's always time for first things. I'm getting ready to fix this vehicle tomorrow, and I want to get it in and out quick as possible. Let me show you the parts car I got for it. But so basically I have to pull off this rear bumper. The tailgate is actually all fine, and then drill out this quarter panel, pull both doors, bolt on. The A-pillar is fine, it just ripped the hinges off, so I think that'll be all okay. Front bumper's coming off, the fender, the glass, and I will cut out this glass just so I can, sometimes I just weld on this rail or underneath of this rail, but there's a big plastic cover that goes on these. But for nicer views, there's just going to be a little seam where the quarter panel ends, and then I'm probably going to come down here and maybe like that. We'll see. I've done these before, they worked out fine. So let me show you the parts car I got for it. I had to go to Long Island, New York for it. If you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly where I've been. And look at this view. You've probably seen it in the video before, but I'm recording this in the same day just so I can get the videos out for you guys. Yeah, here it is. Everything is good. The rear bumper's fine. So these are all the parts. You do have a pretty sharp dent here. But hopefully, I mean, a body guy will take care of that. Or a PDR. Might just have the PDR guy come out and just take a look. So the fender has a little bit of damage right there, as you can see. Front bumper's fine. So yeah, got a beauty from Long Island, and she was cheap too. So all right, it's a beautiful fall day, perfect weather. It's kind of chilly, but it's that perfect crisp type weather that I love. So with that being said, I guess this will be a wrap for this video. I am going to start on this one. What do you guys think? Should I record the whole process? Make this into multi-part video for you guys, how I repair cars? If you're interested, leave those in the comment. If not, I might just make a quick update whenever it's done. But if you're interested in me drilling all that out and actually doing all the work and from start to finish, without painting. I am not a painter. I'm never gonna paint. I hate that messy, stinky, crappy job. At least crappy for me because I don't know how to paint, but there's some cool painters out here in town, so they can paint it for me. But the way we discussed with the customer, all I'm doing is the metal work and putting all the parts on, and then he has a friend or a neighbor, or he said something, or his family member, somebody that he knows that does painting, but he does not do any welding and any of that nature. So he said he'll take care of the paint. He wants me to complete it completely all the way, put all the trim, bells and whistles on it, everything, plastics, everything, which I told him it'll be a stupid idea because then somebody else has to remove it. He's like, well, better you put him on, that way if we lose him, it's not your problem. So he's right. I'm just gonna get it all done. And that'll be it. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And be sure, if you haven't entered for the giveaways, watch the 2 videos behind. Enter for that giveaway. They're still live. At least one of them. The one with the investment is still live because we haven't paid it off, obviously. The one with the scrap, if you're watching this pretty early, it probably is still live, but if you're watching this after like October 2020, you might be a little behind. That would be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, put those in the comments below, and be sure to put a thumbs up for me. Help me on the videos, get them out to more people. And my goal is 1,000 subscribers before the year ends, so if you guys want to help me out with that, you know where the button is. It's probably like right there or something, so click it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.